Hey, it's Andre. It's time for a little FPV with the Defiant Renegade. I recently upgraded a bunch of components on it, so this is going to be the first time getting out flying and having a little bit of fun with it. Let's go. I haven't flown this beastie in a while. Okay, great. Hair is obnoxious. Why are we, there you go. Oh, that was a little bit of a weird launch. Oh, I gotta adjust this FPV terrible. I got the goggles all cranked wrong. Everything's just super overexposed. But hey, first time flying with the Crossfire. And so this is a new FPV system. This is a new ESC combination. And new props too. There's people there. No, it's just a sign. Oh, I can't even do like a nice run down towards the trees because everything is so contrasty. But again, I think that's just my goggles. That's just how it's looking on the goggles right now, I suspect. So I'll have to do some more tweak. Defiant Renegade. Woohoo!
3 minutes.
Yeah, because I can't even really see the gaps too nicely yet. Nice! Hopefully that turns out. Nice airplane though. Getting used to it again. Oh, it's nice to fly it. Not have any of the weird synchronization issues or desync issues. There's my shadow. Ooh, there's my shadow close. And I almost ran into myself. But no desynchronization issues with these brand new ESCs and the UBEC. And just really nice. Just 2S power. Nothing crazy. There you go. Said I wasn't going to do it, but we're going through. Yeah. Oh yeah. Warming up.
2 minutes.
Next flight, I'll resync or adjust my contrast and everything on the goggles so I can see a little better. Oh, this is such a fun little airplane. There's my shadow, cutting through the trees. Oh, a little solemn, over top of that tree, and then almost. Oh, I tried to save that one. That was fun. Are we still recording? Yeah. All right, let's get the plane and get going again. I don't think I did any damage. Such a good little airplane. Such a good little airplane. All right, I'm going to really quickly see if I can adjust my goggles. So this is one of the little problems with these nano cameras is that you're sacrificing a little bit of image resolution for a tiny size, but you get a tiny little camera. So, yeah. Okay, props are all still on, no damage to anything. Beautiful. Oh no, I lost the fin. Oh no. I wonder if it'll still fly. Sorry, Sean. All in the name of having fun. Let's try and let's see if it'll fly without it, and then we'll wrap this thing up. At least we got one flight in with the new FPV system. All right, this could be squirrely.
Throttle release.
Yeah, what do you know? It still flies. Down our fin, down our vertical stabilizer, still flying. There you go, Sean. There's a motor spinning away too. Might be some snow. I made the Defiant Renegade mad. You definitely got to steer into it a little bit more with that missing fin. That is funny that it's still going.
30 seconds.
The changes to the FPV are a little better. I got a feeling this poor camera also is like, there's so much snow, so it doesn't know what it's doing, but I can see a little better. But anyhow, I'm gonna bring this thing in very soon.
10,
Where am I?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer 1 elapsed.
Yes!
Throttle on.
That is so awesome. What a plane! What a plane! Even with let's get all that snow off the gear. Even with a vertical stab completely ripped off, it still flew like a champ. I like my Defiant Renegade a lot, and there's a reason for it. It's the right size, the right combination of everything. So, yeah, I'm Andre, Defiant Renegade. Thanks for watching.